This story is slow and easy. You can listen and relax. Let's begin. Every day, I wake up early in the morning. I stretch my arms and legs. I feel calm. I feel fresh. Then I get out of bed. I wear my slippers. In the bathroom, I brush my teeth. I brush slowly. After brushing, I wash my face. I feel awake now. Then I dry my face with a towel. I feel clean and fresh. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I like warm drinks in the morning. While drinking my tea, I sit near the window. I feel happy. After my tea, I prepare my breakfast. Sometimes I eat eggs. Sometimes I eat bread and butter. I enjoy my food. After breakfast, I wash the dishes.
All clean now.
I like a clean kitchen. Then I go back to my room. I change my clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. Now it is time to study. I open my notebook. I open my laptop. I am ready to learn. I listen to English podcasts. I watch English videos. I study for 1 hour. I stay focused.
Welcome to my English practice
I feel
session.
proud of
Today,
myself.
we'll explore new
After
phrases and improve our
studying, I take a
pronunciation
short
together.
break. I stretch my body. I take deep breaths. I relax my mind. Now it is time to work. At noon, I feel hungry. I prepare lunch. Sometimes I cook vegetables. I eat my lunch peacefully. I do not rush. I enjoy every bite. After lunch, I rest for a few minutes. I sit quietly. Sometimes I close my eyes. In the afternoon, I feel a little tired, so I make another cup of tea. I drink tea slowly. I feel better again. Later in the day, I go for a short walk. I walk outside. I feel the fresh air. When I come back home, I wash my hands. In the evening, I spend time with my family.
Oh, thank you,
We talk.
Grandma.
Sometimes I listen to slow English. I repeat sentences. I improve my fluency. Then I go to my room. I change into comfortable clothes. Soon, I fall asleep. This is my daily routine. Thank you for listening.